मेरे पापा का इनकम भी बहुत कम ही था। मन में यही
आपके
मसाला
माताजी
ड्यूटी।
पिताजी मेरे सामने हैं।
जी।
Sprint spearhead Duty Chand believes India would progress only when its women prosper and highlighted her mother's struggle with societal pressure after conceiving 5 daughters during a recent virtual interaction with PM Narendra Modi. However, when the moment came to provide her mother a bit of the spotlight, it was her brother, Rabindra Chand, and sister-in-law, Sita Chand, who stood in for her parents. Nothing wrong with that either. Except that PM Modi was under the impression it was her parents, and he went ahead and greeted them. But both the representatives, who wore masks and posed as her parents, remained silent and didn't greet the PM back. Neither did Duty introduce her brother and sister-in-law or correct the situation. Did Duty, in the PM's interaction with the select Tokyo Olympics bound athletes, impersonate her parents with her brother and sister-in-law, just because she hasn't spoken to her parents in almost 3 years? A hurt Akhaji, Duty's mother, claimed she and her husband weren't aware of the interaction and felt slighted at Duty's behavior. We don't expect anything from Duty anymore. If she can think of replacing her parents with her younger brother and sister-in-law, then anything can happen, Akhaji told an NIS. Duty's elder sister Saraswati, a former athlete and her inspiration in her formative years, said she had no prior information about the high-profile chit-chat. Modi interacted with 15 of the 126 Indian athletes who would represent India at Tokyo from July 23 to August 8. People used to tell my mother why she was giving birth to so many girls. We had little food to eat, and my father's income was also very low. I was thinking if I play well, I can get a good job in the government sector, Duty said to PM Modi. Now I have managed to get a good life for my family, and I would like to thank you and everyone who have helped me to achieve that. Born in Chala Gopalpur village of Odisha's Jajpur district, Duty is the third of Chakradhar and Akhaji's 6 children, 5 daughters. Disclosure of being gay and an unapologetic demeanor regarding her same-sex relationship with another girl from the village strained her accord with her parents in 2019. The 2018 Asian Games silver medalist still faces a grim battle of acceptance in her family and remains the only Indian athlete to admit being in a same-sex relationship. I felt sad, particularly for my parents. She shouldn't have lied in front of the PM regarding the identity of her parents. My parents were at home completely unaware of any such meeting, Saraswati told NNIS. Duty wasn't immediately available to comment, but it is understood that her younger brother lives at his in-laws and has had no contact with their parents for around 10 years. You have made a number of records for this country. The country hopes that you will find a place on the Olympic podium. Let go of all your worries and participate, the whole of India is with you, Modi told Duty during the interaction.